Hey guys! Welcome back to another day in our simple but fulfilling farm life. Today, Grace and I just got home from town after buying 10 bags of feeds in the market. Medyo paubos na kasi ang stock namin and we can't let that happen. Alam nyo naman, our chickens are very demanding at kapag gutom sila, grabe talaga ang ingay. Parang nagrarally na as if hindi sila nakakain kahapon. Pero syempre, we always make sure they're well fed because in return, they give us plenty of fresh eggs. Kaya kahit mahirap at mabigat ang trabaho, sulit naman. At kanina sa market, nakakatawa. Kasi one of the guys there couldn't believe na kami mismo ni Grace ang magbubuhat ng mabibigat na sako ng feeds. Parang nag-aalala siya na baka hindi namin kakayanin. Pero syempre, sanay na kami dito. Hindi na ito bago sa amin, kaya sabi ko sa kanya, kaya na namin to. No need na ng tulong. Pero kita mo sa mukha niya, parang nagulat pa rin siya. At dito sa farm guys, we don't need a gym. Every day is already a full workout. Buhat dito, buhat doon, lakad ng malayo, tapos minsan pa, hinahabol namin yung mga manok na mahilig tumatakas. Kaya kahit walang official exercise routine, lumalakas pa rin ang katawan namin. Sabi nga nila, farm work is the best workout. At totoo yan. Pagdating namin sa bahay, ang unang ginagawa namin, syempre, pinababa na agad ang mga feeds. Medyo mabigat siya guys, pero dahil sanay na, mabilis lang naming natapos. The moment we stepped near the chicken area, ayun na, parang may fans club na nag-aabang sa amin. Sobrang ingay nila guys, clock here, clock there. Parang sinasabing, hey, gutom na kami. It's pagkain time. Alam niyo ba, kahit may schedule naman sila sa pagkain, kapag narinig nilang may sako ng feeds na paparating, bigla silang nag-iingay. Para bang gusto nilang siguraduhin na hindi namin sila makakalimutan. Kaya parang matahimik na sila, pinakain agad namin sila. At in just few seconds, all you could hear was them happily pecking away at their food. Ganyan sila ka-adorable. At minsan talaga, nakakapagod ang ganitong trabaho, lalo na pag mainit ang araw at sunod-sunod ang gawain. Pero alam nyo, iba yung satisfaction ng farm life. Seeing our chickens healthy, watching them enjoy their food, and collecting fresh eggs every day, it makes everything worth it. Hindi lang basta trabaho, but it's also a lifestyle na nagbibigay ng sense of fulfillment. At syempre, hindi lang ito about hard work. Marami rin kaming natututunan dito. Sa simpleng pag-alaga ng mga hayop, we learn patience, responsibility, and gratitude. And farming teaches us to appreciate the little things, like waking up early to the sound of the nature, feeling the fresh air every morning, and ending the day with a sense of accomplishment. So ayun guys, another productive day here on the farm. Sobrang saya kahit pagod kasi alam naming every effort we put in may balik sa amin. Simple pero masaya. Kaya para sa inyo na nanonood at sumusuporta sa farm life namin, maraming salamat po. If nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para updated kayo sa susunod naming farm adventures. At let us know sa comments kung gusto nyong makita pa ang ibang farm activities namin. See you on our next vlog. Bye!